Everything you just saw was shot using the Cobra 3 Strike. And you might be wondering, what's the big difference between a monopod and a tripod? There are two completely different tools. A tripod is about maximum stability, so if you want to take long exposure or locked off video. A monopod is about speed. It's quick to carry, minimal footprint, and fast angle changes when you're filming solo. And there is a lot that is brilliant with this one, and one little thing that annoyed me. The headline feature is the Strike touch lift. This is the bit that turns it from just a monopod into a tool for solo filming. Watch this. I can raise or lower the camera in about a second, one-handed. No fiddling with tripod leg, no knobs, no waiting while the moment disappears. The small footprint lets me place it pretty much anywhere. Then the lift system gets the camera to the exact height I need for the shot. My only wish? I'd love to go about 30 cm lower for the true desk level angles, but I get it, that's probably a design trade-off. This modular design is very useful. You can break it down and reconfigure it depending on the shot. For example, low angle shots are where you get that cinematic feeling. With a tripod, going low often means spreading legs everywhere. Here I can keep the footprint small, drop the camera low, and I'm back shooting in seconds. And this modularity is even more useful in the studio. You can move the camera from the monopod to the base-only setup, for example placing it on a desk, in just a few seconds. Now, none of that matters if it feels flimsy or annoying to carry. Build quality is excellent. Aluminum alloy, tight tolerance, and nothing feels cheap. The strike mechanism is precise, the locks feel solid, and the little details are exactly where your hand expects them. And for me, that's the whole point. If support gear is annoying, you leave it at home. Let's talk about weight. This is the part that decides if you actually bring it with you. The Cobra 3 Strike on its own is 922 grams. My tripod, which is carbon fiber and magnesium, is 2.1 kilos, and that's without a head. So just comparing legs to legs, the monopod is a huge difference. But in real life, you'll use the base. And in my case, I'm using the iFootage Base P, which is 656 grams. So the Cobra setup becomes 1.5 kilos. That's still about half a kilo lighter than the tripod. And honestly, half a kilo matters more than people think. If you are carrying it for hours, 500 grams isn't a number, you feel it. Now add the head, which in my case is the Komodo K5S, and the full Cobra setup comes to 2.4 kilos. This 360-pound base is what makes the Cobra 3 feel like more than just a monopod. With this pedal, you unlock the base and you can add controlled movement straight away. On the Base P, there's a tension wheel, so you can dial in how much resistance you want. Smooth pans, little push in, quick reframes without lifting the whole setup. It's fast and it keeps the shot feeling intentional. You can also adjust the leg angle, so you can go lower and flatter for more stability, or taller when you need a bit of clearance. And when you are done, bring it back to center and tap the pedal again. The best part is that the base uses the same quick attachment as the monopod, so you can swap setups fast and customize the whole thing. Simple, quick, I love it. Obviously, this can't give you the same hands-off stability as a tripod. In the studio, if no one is moving around, it's fine. I'm happy to place it down, frame the shot, and record myself. Outside is different. Especially full extended, I wouldn't leave the setup unattended. It reaches pretty high, and in wind or around people, you need a hand on it to keep everything steady and safe. Mounting is straightforward. Standard threads, so you can run a proper fluid head, a ball head, mount the camera directly, even add a small light. I'm using the Komodo K5S fluid head, and this is where the smoothness comes from. So let's talk a little bit about it. The Komodo K5S is small and lightweight, but it gives you the two things that make movement look intentional: controlled pan and controlled tilt. It supports up to 5 kilos and has 360 pan. and a really wide tilt range, so you are not fighting the head when you want a low angle or a high tilt. The key is balancing it properly, then using the drag to slow your movement down. And when you do that, you get smooth starts and stops. The only thing that genuinely annoys me is on the Komodo head. The locking knob that clamps the quick release plate sits very close to the camera, so both tightening and loosening it can be fiddly, especially with bigger bodies or rigs. Two quick wish list items. I'd love the Cobra to go 20-30 cm lower for proper desk level shots. And I would love a fold out handle on the screw under the plate, so you can tighten it without a coin or tool. And the final upgrade idea, a clip-on wheelbase for the base P, so you can get easily dolly moves in the studio. I generally like this monopod, and it has already changed the way I shoot video, especially here in the studio. The speed, the small footprint, the way I can easily reframe makes filming feel effortless compared to a tripod. But when I'm out doing street photography, I'm not carrying this with me, because I want to focus only on the photos. I cannot think about taking B-roll, video and then photos. I will miss all the moment. But if the session is good and deserve a video, then I go out maybe the next day and take some B-rolls. And that's where like this Cobra 3 is fantastic, because it allows me to have a more intentional shot, more stable shot. And also I'm quite less tired compared like bringing a tripod with me. So big picture, if you are filming solo and you want fast angle, less weight, then this one, the Cobra 3, is fantastic. And just for transparency, iFootage sent me everything you see here, so the monopod, the base and the fluid head, and they let me keep everything. As I said at the start of the video, they have zero approval on what I said. So thanks iFootage for sending it over. Well, alright, that's it. Now I'm off to chase light and I'll see you in the next one.